I am going to win this race, Leo. You cannot catch me.
No way! I am right behind you! I have the speed today!
The big oak tree is the finish line. Do you want to try?
I am going to beat you, Lina! Just wait until Leo, do not move! Stay still! It hurts so much. I think I scraped it on that rock.
Let me look. Do not touch it yet.
Is it very bad? Am I going to be okay?
It is a deep scrape. There is some dirt in it, that is why it stings. But you are okay, you are safe.
I feel dizzy. My head feels weird.
That is normal. The fall was hard. Your body is in shock. Stay on the ground for a minute. Breathe with me.
Okay, I am better now, thank you.
You are welcome. I have a first aid kit at my house. We must clean the wound.
I am scared to walk. What if I fall again?
You will not fall. I am here. Lean on me. Put your arm on my shoulder.
Okay, I am up. It really throbs.
That is the pain. We will walk very slow. My house is close.
I am glad you are here. I did not want to be alone.
You are not alone. We are friends. Friends help each other. Ready to go?
It hurts with every step.
I know. Just breathe. Look at the house, not your feet. We are almost there.
Why did I run so fast? I feel so silly.
You are not silly. You are just having fun.
I feel bad for ruining your day.
You did not ruin my day. Helping you is part of my day.
You are very kind.
That is what friends do. We take care of each other.
What will you do when we get home?
First, we wash it. Then we put medicine on it. Then we cover it.
Will it burn?
A little, but only for a second.
Okay, I trust you.
See, we are halfway there. You are doing great.
I am ready to sit down.
Me too. Let us get you inside. Here is the kit. Sit on this chair. It is stable.
It looks like a small hospital.
It has everything we need. First, we clean the dirt with warm water. Will it burn? The water will be fine. It removes the germs.
Ow! That stings a little.
I know. You are doing so well. Stay still.
Now what?
Now I put this antiseptic on it. It keeps it from getting infected.
It feels cold.
That means it is working. The last step is the bandage. We want it to stay clean while you walk home. There. It is finished. How does it feel?
It feels tight but safe. Thank you.
See? You were brave. You did not even cry. I wanted to, but you were so calm. You helped me stay strong.
Hello, you two. What happened to your leg?
He fell in the park. I cleaned the scrape for him.
That looks very clean. You did a great job.
She helped me walk home and put on a bandage. She was very calm.
That is good to hear. Why did you clean it first?
To get the dirt out. If we leave dirt inside, it can get infected.
Exactly. Cleaning is the most important step. It prevents infection. You handled this well. Do you feel better?
Yes, it does not sting anymore. Thank you for your help, Mrs. Miller.
You are very welcome. You should rest for a bit. Keep an eye on him.
I will. We are going to play a board game.
Sounds like a good plan. I will bring some juice for you both.
Thank you, Mom.
Lina, I want to tell you something.
What is it? You can tell me.
I was really scared at the park. When I saw the blood, I felt so small.
I know. It is scary when you get hurt. I would be scared too.
But when you stayed with me, I felt better. You are very brave.
Thank you, Leo. I was a little scared too, but I knew I had to help you.
Why did you stay so calm?
Because friends stay together. Through the fast races and the bad falls. That is the deal.
That is a great promise. You are a very loyal friend.
I appreciate that. I am just glad you are okay.
I feel much more confident now. Thanks for being my team.
Always, we are a team. Now, it is your turn to roll the dice.
Okay, I hope I roll a 6.
How does the knee feel now?
It is much better. Walking is easy now. Thanks for everything.
You are welcome. Just be careful when you walk down the steps.
I will. See you at school tomorrow?
Yes, I will see you then. Take care of that knee.
I will. Bye.
Today was a big day. I was scared when he fell. But I am glad I did not run away. Staying calm helped him. Staying calm helped me too. I learned that being a friend means more than just playing games. It means helping when things go wrong. It is a big responsibility, but I think I am ready for it. We are a team, and tomorrow we will have a new adventure.